káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Pavilion TV. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́ ń wò wá káàkiri àgbáláyé, àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́, ẹ mà ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà. Gọ́vnà Ortom ti ìpínlẹ̀ Benue, wọ́n mà ti sọ̀rọ̀. Ó sọ wípé òun ṣetán láti fi ipò tí òun fẹ́ dùn jì kí òun sì gbárùkù ti Peter Obi láti di ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà nínú ìdìbò tó ń bọ̀ lọ́nà yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fọ́nrán yìí, à ń padà bọ̀.
For me, it's not even that I'm contesting election. Yes, the forms was bought for me by the people of Benue State. I've gone round. They have accepted that they will vote me. But if I'm to sacrifice my senatorial ambition for Peter Obi to win, so shall it be. And so please, I know that the Igbos, if the people are connected in this world, they are the Igbos. This is the opportunity you have. This is it, to say that an Igbo man from the southeast is president, because some of us believe in the unity of Nigeria. We believe in working together. And that is why I accommodate everybody. We believe in the unity of this country. And so let us not miss this opportunity that God Himself is providing. The youth have told me, my own people, they have told me, stakeholders here, traditional rulers, party people, across party lines. Obi matter is not about PDP or APC or SDP or any other party. It's about Nigeria. You are many, you have the population. But thank God from what is unfolding. Peter Obi is a species that is not bounded by ethnicity. And that is why when I hear some prominent Igbo personalities castigating Peter Obi for contesting election, is it not you Igbos that have been saying that you have been marginalized since after the war? Opportunity have come today and you're still complaining. What do you want? What are you looking for? What do you want? The whole country, north, south, east, and west, are saying that Peter will be. And you hear some people say, we don't want it. Haba. Those people should be outcasts. But I was praying, and one of my spiritual father told me something. He said, look, Obi will win the election. And he added, he said, look, God does not want Obi to be Igbo president. He wants him to be Nigerian's president. Thank God. At least, nobody is useless. Oh. With all the hardship that Buhari brought, Buhari said that he wants free and fair election. And anybody that wins, he will accept. Have you not heard him say that? So please, I am sending you to your kinsmen. We here in Benue, we have accepted that
padà. Mo lérò pé ẹ̀yin náà ní ohun kan tàbí èkejì tí ẹ fẹ́ sọ sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ bá wa fi èrò tiyín ránṣẹ́ lórí comment section. Ẹ má sì gbàgbé láti máa subscribe sí orí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí, Pavilion TV, fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá.